All right, guys. Just doing an update on my FLAMMA FB200. I'm getting an issue with it. There seems to be no way how to solve it online. I've checked online. I've messaged FLAMMA. They told me I just have to try to log into the FLAMMA software. Hold down A and the D button while turning it on, so you could switch into the mode and run the software update. I have done that multiple times and I'm getting the same issue. The issue I'm getting basically is the outputs. Anytime I turn it on, I used it for maybe 2 times or 3 times and I started to get problem with it. The first problem I was getting a distorted sound coming from the output. Then after a while, it kind of stopped when I tried to turn up the volume. The distortion was getting loud, the distorted sound was getting loud, and then it cut off, no output. Turn it off, turn it back on again. When I go to the drum machine to try to play the drum machine, as I press play on the drum machine, you hear it pop, and then it cut off. I actually went into the app and turned down the input gain from inside the app itself on my phone. And when I turn it down, it worked for a little bit, and then eventually it went back to the same thing. The volume pop again, and then no output. So that's the issue I'm getting. If anybody have any fix for this, please let me know. If I can't get any fix, I'm trying my best to try to send it back to FLAMMA to see if the department could send me back a warranty on this. I have tried multiple stuff, restarting it, resetting it back to the factory setting, so try to run the software update, same issue I'm getting. So I'm not getting any output, and if I keep turning it off and turn it back on, as I start to play anything through it, if I put my bass guitar through the input, as I turn up the volume, it just cut off, no output.